This type of skeleton educational video is getting millions of views, and creating this kind of video is very easy. You can see a YouTube channel that has uploaded only 9 videos and already gained 30,000 subscribers, with one video reaching 3.1 million views. There is another channel uploading similar short-form educational videos on YouTube Shorts and also getting millions of views. These types of videos consistently attract massive reach, and many creators are growing their channels rapidly using this format. You can easily make such videos with the help of AI, even for free. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create these videos step by step using AI tools, so make sure to watch the video till the end to understand how simple the process really is. To create this type of skeleton education video, you only need a prompt. I will provide this prompt in a Google Docs file, and the link to that document will be available in the description. First, open Google Docs and copy the complete prompt. Then open ChatGPT, paste the full prompt into the chat box, and click on Generate. ChatGPT will give you 5 topic ideas, and you can choose any one of them. You can also enter your own topic idea in the provided input boxes. After selecting or copying a topic, paste it into the chat box and click Generate again. ChatGPT will then start creating the script for you, and within moments, your skeleton education video script will be ready. Now our final script is ready, and if there is any mistake, you can easily regenerate the script again. You can repeat this process until you get a perfect result. The next step is generating the voiceover. For this, we will use 11 Labs, and its link will be available in the description. First, sign up and log in to the 11 Labs website. Then go to the text-to-speech section and paste your script into the text box. On the right side, you will see multiple AI voice options, and you can choose any voice you like. After selecting the voice, click on the Generate button. Your voiceover will be created, and you can download it with a single click. The next step is creating images for the video. After downloading the voiceover, go back to ChatGPT. First, copy the first paragraph of your script, because we will create an image for each paragraph. Paste that paragraph into the prompt box in ChatGPT and click Generate. ChatGPT will create an image prompt based on the paragraph you provided, and a video prompt will appear below it. At this stage, focus only on image creation. To generate an image, first copy the image prompt that was generated from the first paragraph of your script. For image generation, we will use a free website called Pipit.ai, and its link will be available in the description. If you sign up and log in using the link, you will receive free credits that allow you to create images at no cost. After signing up and logging in, you will see the main interface with 2 options, image and video. Click on the image option and paste the image prompt provided by ChatGPT. Then select the aspect ratio as 9:16 and choose the Nano Banana model. After selecting the model, click on the Generate button and your image will start generating. As you can see, the first image is ready. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the next short paragraph from your script. Paste it into the prompt box and click Generate. You will receive 2 prompts again, one image prompt and one video prompt. Copy only the image prompt and return to the image generation website. Paste the prompt, keep all the settings the same, and click on the Generate button. Your second image will start generating, and in the same way, your next image will be ready. You need to generate all your images by repeating the same steps for each paragraph of your script. First, go to ChatGPT, copy the next paragraph from your script, and paste it into the prompt box. Click on the Generate button, and you will get 2 prompts. Copy only the image prompt, then go back to the image generation website and paste the prompt to generate your image. Repeat this process for all paragraphs until every image for your video is ready. First, focus on generating all your images quickly using this method. After all your images are generated, click on the Download button for each image. Select the PNG format, and in the watermark section, choose Without Watermark, then save all the images to your device one by one. Continue this process until all your images are downloaded and ready for use. After downloading the images, the next step is to convert these images into videos. There are many tools available for this, but I am going to use Higgsfield AI, and you will find its link in the description below. Go to the website and complete the simple sign-up process. After signing up, you will see the video option at the top. Click on it, then select the Create Video option and upload the images you downloaded earlier. After uploading an image, scroll down and choose a video generation model according to your preference. You will see multiple AI video models such as Sora, VEO, and others, and you can select any one of them. Next, move to the video prompt section. To get the prompt, go back to ChatGPT and scroll down to the video prompts that were generated below each image prompt. Copy the video prompt related to the image you uploaded and paste it into the prompt box on the video generation website. Then select the aspect ratio as 9:16 and click on the Generate button. Your first video clip will start generating. Now the first video clip is ready. If the clip does not look good, you can regenerate it or switch to a different model and generate it again. Using the same steps, you can convert all your images into video clips. First, upload an image to the video generation website. Then copy the relevant video prompt from ChatGPT that appears below the image prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Click on the Generate button to create the video. Repeat this process for all images using the same tab. After each video is generated, download it one by one and save all the clips to your device. The next step is editing the video. For editing, I am using CapCut, and you will find its link in the description below. Download and open CapCut, then click on the Import button. Import all your video clips along with the voiceover you downloaded from 11 Labs. After importing, drag the voiceover to the timeline first. Remove all unwanted parts, empty sections, and silent gaps to make the audio clean and smooth. By trimming these parts, you can make the voiceover sound crisper and clearer before moving on to the video clips. The next step is to add your video clips to the timeline. Play the voiceover and align each video clip according to the audio. Adjust and trim the video clips so they match the voiceover properly. If the original video audio is too loud, reduce or mute it as needed. Once everything is aligned, you can generate captions, add transitions, apply effects, and complete the overall editing in CapCut. When your video is ready, click on the Export button and save it to your device. All the tools I used along with the prompt links will be available in the description below.